Going to do a quick tutorial on variables, okay? So what are group variables? They're just like a phrase or a word or a style that or a variable, LOL, that you plug into your CSS. So instead of typing out the exact color, you type in this whatever and it auto registers the color. So over here, I have all the group colors set up. That's what I'm scrolling down on, right? They're automatically set up. They're plugged into the boards. They're wrapped around the custom post template. So everything is already plugged in. All you have to do is know how to use them and your templates will work. I fucking promise you. Just listen to me and do what I say. All right, I'm gonna pause the video so I could write up a quick tutorial on how to do this. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I wrote up a quick little tutorial and I'm going to make it bigger so it's visible so you guys can see. All right, so first and foremost, I'm going to explain how to do this. A CSS variable I already explained this shit. No, fuck off. All right, so this is a regular style code. It's just a box with a color in it, right? So this is how I coded it. Background color, RGBA, blah, 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 1, opacity. Position relative, 250, 250, margin 25 auto, right? Cool, that's a fucking box. And box 2 has the background color, but the variable plugged in, right? Which is an auto color. So position relative, everything else is the same. So the first box looks like this. And the second box, however, is colored to Frank's profile. Now, if I post this box with another character, what's going to happen is it's going to match that color. Now, how does that happen? Well, our web pages already has all these colors inputted. So let's say I wanted to change the opacity, right? So instead of, actually, let me open up Google. Yeah, Google's good. Google Docs. Okay. Oh, damn. No, this is fine. All right. So, background color. And then we put the variable and the name of the variable. So I think our name is MCLR1. And that means that it's going to color to this at 1 opacity, which you can read on the fucking CSS right here. So MCLR1 is the full opacity for for whatever group this is. So let's say you want to use a different opacity like 9.5 or 9 or 8.5 or 8 or 7.5. You follow and you just copy the ID. That's it. So as long as you're replacing this with the color, it doesn't matter what ID this is, it's going to auto color to whatever you want. Okay, so now let me just show you a quick example on my template. Ignore the other variables because we're not discussing that right now. So I'm going to look up where my gradients are at, which is right here. So right now I have this set at 0.5 opacity, which is 5 MCLR, the variable of 5. See how I don't have to plug in any RGBA or anything? And this gradient right here is going to auto color the moment it's posted on Ignite. And I'm going to show you how that happens. Cool. So if I change this to, let's say 2, watch what happens. See how it gets lighter? Automatically. But we're going to keep this at 5 for now. And then I'm just going to do a fast reply right here. Do HTML, style, style. Okay. Do HTML. Cool. Fuck. All right. Cool. Code Japan. So I'm going to take all of this coding plus this because those variables are needed because I'm a lazy bitch, and I'm going to plug in just the HTML portion of whatever code I'm doing thus far. And I'll plug that in here and paste it with someone who's different, who has a different color than Frank. Logan. And it colors to Logan's color, pretty sure. and it looks funky because it's set at so high. So this is Logan's color, and we're gonna full edit and then change it to Cyrus. And see how the color changes automatically. All right, bye.